Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to add money in a Wise account. So let's get started. So it doesn't matter if you have a personal or business account, it's basically the same process and it's very easy. All you have to do is go into your dashboard, log in into your Wise account, and tap on the add money button from here. And from here, you just simply need to indicate how much you are gonna add into your account. So let's say I want to go for 1,000, just for an example. And then from here, if you don't have a payment method here as a default, then you need to tap on the add button, and then you can choose whatever payment method is available for you. So in my case, I have debit or credit card. So in my case, I'll just go for credit card, for example, and then I can see the fees right here, the total that I will be paying. So Wise is very transparent with this, which is really great. So now once you're ready, tap on continue. And then from here, you will have to answer some questions about yourself. These are just personal information, may it be from your personal or your business account. So you just need to answer these questions right here. So I'll be answering this, and I'm just gonna skip this one since these are personal information. And now once you have answered these questions, then you will now provide your card number right here, the details of your card, or you can just tap on scan card. And then from here, you can allow your camera to scan the card that you have so that you won't have to input it here manually. So you can also do that. And then as you can see in the bottom, you can see the fee that you will be paying for this transaction. And after that, once you tap on the pay button, then Wise will now charge you for the cash in or for adding money into your account. And after that, that is basically it for the process. You have successfully added money into your Wise account. That is very easy and simple. So that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.